So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in default apps. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on apps. Now you're going to click on default apps. And then once we're here, you're going to search for your application that you want to make default. Let's say that I want to do Windows Media Player. I'm going to click on it. And just so you know, you must have the application already installed on your computer. Now most of you guys are going to be opening videos with .mp4. So you're going to scroll down till you find .mp4. Here it is. You're going to click on this. Make sure you have your correct application selected that you want to be your default media player. So let's say that I want to change it to films and TV. I'm going to click on this and then click on set default. Now every MP4 file that I open up is going to be open with films and TV. You could also do this with the other file extensions that are going to appear on this list, so such as .mov. You could also change it for this, and for any other video file format as well. But for most videos, most of you guys are going to be using .mp4, so change it for that.